remove the inner lining of the HEROS Titan, use the rotary knob on the rear of the helmet to reduce the head size, and then open the two clips in front of the helmet. Now open the two adapters in the rear area as well. Remove the quick release axle of the inner lining with a slight tension. The inner lining is now disassembled properly. To fix the inner lining again onto the helmet, reinsert the quick release axle. Now firmly press the two adapters in the rear area of the helmet. Finally, you can fix the clips in the front area again. Now the inner lining is properly fixed again, and you can use the helmet as usual.